Hello, welcome to my channel. So for my very first video, I'm going to be doing a quick painting of myself to sort of introduce myself. And I apologize in advance if I sound awkward because this is my very first YouTube channel, or video. So I'm starting with a sketch of myself, and unfortunately that's me in the corner. I didn't realize it was getting that, but that's me. So I'm just doing the sketch of myself using my iPad as a mirror. And I'm just trying to get like just the general idea right here. Now here is me just sketching some of the finer details. Hands and fingers are kind of difficult for me, so it takes a couple tries, but got that one okay. The other hand I hid in the background because it was too hard. So now I'm doing the line art, and I have a really hard time with line art because, I don't know, there's something so final about it, and do I want to make solid lines or dotted lines? I can never really decide, so I kind of went for a mixture here. It's kind of random, but yep, that's what I'm doing here. Yeah, again, going over the hands. It kind of is a weird looking hand, but it's the best I could do. And that's a skinny arm over on the right, but oh well. So, yeah, I think that's all I can really say about that. So next I'm about to be getting into the painting process of this, and mixing colors is one of my very favorite things, so I show just a little bit of that. Yeah, eventually I'll get there. Ah, isn't that nice looking? So skin color there. The cool thing about watercolor is you can water it down in a color that looks totally crazy, and the palette can look almost like a normal skin color, like it does here. So one trick to watercolor is to always kind of paint in sections and go as fast as possible to avoid lines or puddling or anything like that. And if you notice, I kind of, when I'm working through that section right there on the shirt, I'm keeping everything wet so that it doesn't make a line, so nothing dries before the whole shirt is painted. And then onto the pants. Yep, that was Milton. He loves to destroy my artwork, jump up and ruin it, but I fixed it by making a black tank top underneath instead of a skin color. So that's it. That's my first picture on YouTube, or painting on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for checking out my channel.